futuristic concepts, and real-world defense technology analysis. In today's video, we are diving deep into the 2026 Oshkosh JLTV, also known as the Joint Light Tactical Vehicle, which is the modern successor to the legendary Humvee. The JLTV represents the next generation of battlefield mobility, combining exceptional protection, speed, and off-road capability in one rugged machine designed to dominate every terrain. Built by Oshkosh Defense, this vehicle has become the backbone of many modern armies and is setting a new benchmark for tactical transport across the globe. The Oshkosh JLTV was designed to fix everything the Humvee lacked. Where the Humvee was light and fast but vulnerable, the JLTV delivers better survivability and mobility without sacrificing performance. It uses advanced engineering and cutting-edge materials to balance speed, armor, and payload in ways that were previously impossible. From the start, the JLTV project aimed to create a vehicle that can handle both high-intensity combat and long-term support missions in the harshest environments on Earth. Under the hood, the JLTV is powered by a robust 6.6-liter Duramax V8 turbo diesel engine paired with an Allison automatic transmission, producing over 400 horsepower. This combination gives it outstanding torque and acceleration, even when fully loaded with equipment or armor. The engine has been tested for extreme endurance and can operate in desert heat, Arctic cold, or heavy mud without compromising reliability. The powertrain is designed to deliver both speed on highways and power in off-road conditions, ensuring the JLTV can go wherever the mission requires. One of the most impressive features of the JLTV is its Torque-4i intelligent independent suspension system. This advanced setup gives the vehicle superior off-road performance and comfort. It automatically adjusts to changing terrain and can raise or lower the chassis for better clearance or stability. This means the JLTV can handle rocky trails, deep mud, snow, and steep inclines without slowing down. The suspension provides a smoother ride for troops and helps maintain weapon accuracy and communication stability even during rough movements. In terms of protection, the Oshkosh JLTV takes survivability to the next level. It uses an armored capsule design that protects the crew from small arms fire, roadside bombs, and improvised explosive devices. Its modular armor system allows upgrades depending on the mission, from lighter plates for transport missions to heavy armor for combat zones. The underbody is shaped to deflect blast waves from mines and explosives, giving soldiers inside a much better chance of survival compared to older vehicles. The vehicle's doors, windows, and structure are made from ballistic materials tested to NATO and U.S. Army standards, ensuring unmatched battlefield safety. The JLTV is also highly versatile. It is available in multiple variants, including the general-purpose model, heavy guns carrier, utility variant, and close combat weapons carrier. Each version is built to perform different roles, such as carrying troops, towing heavy artillery, or mounting advanced weapon systems like machine guns, grenade launchers, or anti-tank missiles. This flexibility makes it suitable for a wide range of missions, from reconnaissance to direct combat operations. Inside, the JLTV is surprisingly modern and comfortable for a military vehicle. The interior includes advanced digital displays for navigation, vehicle health monitoring, and communications. The cockpit layout is designed to reduce driver fatigue, with easily accessible controls and high visibility. It also comes equipped with a digital backbone that supports integration with modern military systems like C4ISR networks, drone controls, and battlefield data sharing. These systems ensure the JLTV stays connected in modern warfare where information is as important as firepower. The vehicle's mobility is also supported by its central tire inflation system, run-flat tires, and an advanced traction control system that maintains stability even on loose ground or uneven terrain. The JLTV can ford through deep water, climb steep hills, and maneuver over rough obstacles without losing balance or speed. With a top speed of around 70 miles per hour on-road and a remarkable off-road capability, it delivers the performance soldiers need in fast-paced combat environments. The Oshkosh JLTV has also been built with future upgrades in mind. Its open architecture allows for the easy addition of new technologies such as hybrid electric powertrains, active protection systems, or autonomous driving modules. This forward-thinking design ensures the JLTV will remain relevant and effective for decades as new technologies emerge. In 2026, the latest JLTV models have been refined for even greater reliability, reduced maintenance costs, and improved fuel efficiency. Oshkosh Defense has also worked on digital integration, allowing the JLTV to communicate seamlessly with drones, command centers, and even robotic ground systems. This creates a smarter, more connected battlefield ecosystem where every asset works together efficiently. Operationally, the JLTV has proven itself in multiple terrains across the world. From desert operations in the Middle East to cold weather training in Europe,